Hi everyone, today we are going to see how to create a database in our instance. Last video I have installed SSMS and SQL Server as well as now we are going to create a new database in the server. See, there is only the system databases, there is no user database. So now we are going to create one new database like user database. See, let's go. Here I have to give the database name equal to um, first database. So on the below here we can provide the service owner or it will be taken as a default. So and we are going to provide here there is an space. I'm providing 1024 and here I'm going to give 500 log space. I have to disable this, enable the growth option. I have disabled and we can see there is a path of the location where it will be saved all the data regarding this database. And going to option here there is a recovery model is simple, so I'm going to select full and I have to leave everything as a default. And here there is a database read only option, it is in a false, and encryption also false, and restricted access equal to multi-user it will be fine, and there is a single user restriction user also there. We can later we can discuss on these things. And there is a file group, it is in default. I have not added any file group on this. First thing we have to create one database in our instance. Okay, so we can do the script out and you can click on here. Okay, and the database will be created. So here you can see there is an first database I have created. So it was created and we can, if it is not displayed, you can refresh the instance and you can see yes, there is an first database we have created successfully. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe,